links within the PDF can help your end users know more information about your company details, and you can also direct your audience to your website, to your landing pages, so that they can take a particular action. And the best part, why using Canva can help you on this, because you don't have to invest a single penny, and you don't have to have a pro version for the same. All right, even in the free version of Canva, you have the option of adding a clickable link on your PDF. So let's begin with this. Today I'll teach you the step-by-step process to add clickable links. So just log into Canva, you'll find this particular screen. Either if you have a particular design in mind, just go to create a design, use your custom dimensions, use these suggested platforms. So I already have a design in mind, which I have already designed. I just need to teach you how to add clickable links. I'm just going to all my designs options here and going to the last design I worked on. So once I have clicked on this, I'm just going to the design element. So this is it. So let me delete this and show you from start. Let me choose a text bar here, and I'm choosing add a subheading. I'm just going to the option here, adding a subheading. Sorry, I'm just dragging it on top. Let me increase the size of it. Okay, so I'm gonna make it as www.himalayan.com. I'm just going to extend the text here and then going to paste it. Yes, I think now it looks fine. All right. So the text is ready. Now I want this particular text to be clickable so that people could be directed to my website. So all I have to do is I've clicked on this. I do find these three options here, the three dot options here in the toolbar. I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to find the link icon in the editorial toolbar. I'm just going to click this, and either I can enter the link, which is this one, which is that himalayangold.com. Either I can type in, or in case you have a particular website in mind, you can just copy the URL of the website, place it on the sticky notes, and then copy and paste it, and then click on apply. Okay, and now it's already ready. Now all I have to do is I'll have to download it. Note that you cannot really download the file type as JPEG or PNG. It should only, this feature is only available in the PDF option. You'll have to export or download the PDF document to have this clickable link option available. All right, just go to download. So let me change the file type to PDF standard, and then just choose, I just want the first image. I'm just choosing the first image and clicking on done. Just downloading it. And then copy or post one. All right. So my file is saved now. So let me go to the download sections and click on downloads. And then, so this is saved here. So if you see the PDF now, that's how it looks. And if you click on this particular text bar here, it actually directs me to my website. So if you see here, it has directed me to my website. In case you have your particular landing page, or you want your audience to be directed to a particular page of your website, just copy the URL of the same and just copy there, and then the work is done. So I'm sure that it may be sounding too difficult, but then you saw, right, how easy it was. So do let me know, just try these techniques and let me know in your PDFs, in your ebook, if you were able to use these features. And write down in the comment section if you find this video nice. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Learn with Suman to know more about content writing and also designing in Canva. Thank you so much. Take care.